Alright guys, so today I'm going to be bleeding my forks on my 2011 YZ85. And then that is my dad's 2011 YZ250F. So what I'm going to start off with is a flathead screwdriver. And right here is where you're going to bleed your forks. And I think that those are dampening, or that's on the bottom there. But I just washed her yesterday, and so you're going to loosen this up. Sometimes you'll hear pressure come out of it. Today, I did not. So I'm going to tighten that one down. I went riding on Sunday, so that's why I'm bleeding them, so those seem pretty good. And this side, I'm going to end up doing the same. See, that one I heard that one spew a little bit. So now I'm just going to, let me move around. See, mine, I'm going to be buying fork bleeders pretty soon. And so that way it's just a lot easier. So those are done on my bike. Now, when I go over to my dad's bike, I'm going to be doing the same, except when I do my dad's bike, he has these little red fork bleeders. So you'll just push those in, and it will bleed them for you. So all you're gonna do is just tap that in, let the pressure out, and that's it. So I hope that was a little bit helpful. I had just recently washed it, like I said, and I should be riding this weekend. But yeah.